What up, YouTube? DJ Barbecue is back, and today we're doing the ultimate surf and turf with Bonein Fillet, and we're doing my favorite oxymoron, jumbo shrimp. Let's season these bad boys. Remember, these things are thick, look at that. So I want to make sure I get all the sides. And the cool thing about doing Bonein Fillet, I don't mind it being a bit blue on the bone, because if you're gonna eat filet mignon, yeah, I like it rare. It's the one steak I'm gonna cook to rare. Everything else is between rare and medium rare. Yeah, those guys look good. Pepper at the end. Let's get the garlic and some smoke rocking in the grill. So I'm gonna go bone side down. King prawns and filet mignon. The ultimate surf and turf. Well, I guess the ultimate would be lobster tail. But I did throw some in the freezer and I just can't find them. Anyway, we're back on YouTube, man. We started on YouTube in 2013. I think I did like 3 years, like every Friday, rocking content. Then got custody of the boys, was raising my boys and just kind of concentrated on Instagram. Now my oldest son's behind the camera and we're back on YouTube. Whew. We're celebrating, we're back on YouTube. By the way, Blue, do you know how to get back into our account? We haven't posted for quite some time. Ooh. Oh. I forgot how much I love fillet, you know? When you're a kid, if you get a taste of fillet, you're like, oh, that's the best thing ever. Then you realize there's lots more flavor, like in sirloin and ribeye and then rump. But every now and then, a fillet just hits, you know, it's that tenderness, and especially when it's on the bone. That's my first time cooking filet mignon on the bone. Woo! Prawns are done. Woo! I'm gonna get the juices out of that head. Suck the heads. Oof. What's up, guys? Give me prawns. You don't want to do them too long because then they stick to the shell again. You want to find that sweet moment. Butter. It's good to be back. DJ Barbecue on YouTube. We'll see you soon.